Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add videos in favorites on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, so you can see that this is a video that I want to. So these are the different videos you can see here. Let's suppose I want to add this video into the favorite. I simply need to hold that video and here is the option of add to favorite. Click on that, and let's suppose I want to add this video also in favorites. Hold that video for few seconds and click on add to favorites. So by following these steps you can easily add videos in favorites on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.